Welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I am Emma, your guide to professional and precise English.
And I'm Sam, the guy who used to be very happy, but is now ecstatic.
That is the spirit, Sam. Today, we are calling out a linguistic crutch.
Is it the word very?
Exactly. It is a word that flattens your personality.
It makes every emotion sound the same.
Very sad, very tired, very angry.
It's dull, it's basic, and it's holding you back.
Today, we are bridging the gap to native fluency.
This is a massive 30-minute deep dive lesson.
We will replace very with vibrant, precise words
So if you want to sound more persuasive,
and show your true emotional intelligence.
hit that subscribe button for the Lingo Listen.
Let's start with the happy family.
I feel very happy when I eat pizza.
Let's fix that, Sam. If you are winning the lottery, you aren't very happy.
What am I?
You are ecstatic.
Ecstatic. That sounds energetic.
It means overwhelmed with joy.
What if I'm just peacefully happy?
Then you are content.
I am content with my life right now.
Perfect. It shows a calm, stable happiness.
What if something great happens at work?
You are thrilled.
I am thrilled to join the new team.
It sounds professional and excited at the same time.
Now let's look at the dark side.
Very sad.
This is the most overused phrase in English.
If you lose something important, you are devastated.
Devastated. That sounds heavy.
It is. It shows deep, serious emotional pain.
What if I'm just a little bit sad?
You are melancholy.
That's a poetic word, Emma.
It is. It's a quiet, thoughtful sadness.
The rainy weather makes me feel melancholy.
Beautiful. Now, what about very angry?
When someone cuts me off in traffic,
You are furious.
I am furious at that driver.
Or even stronger, livid.
Livid, like my face is turning purple?
Close. It means extreme, quiet anger.
What if I'm just a little annoyed?
You are irritated.
The loud music is making me irritated.
Good. It's more precise than very angry.
Let's talk about the tired trap.
Everyone says I am very tired after work.
But if I can't move my legs
You are exhausted.
or drained,
Drained means all your energy is gone, like water.
I feel emotionally drained after that meeting.
That is a very native sounding sentence, Sam.
What about when I'm very scared?
If a lion is chasing you, you are petrified.
Like a stone.
Yes, too scared to move.
If I'm just worried about a test,
You are apprehensive.
apprehensive.
It means you are nervous about the future.
Let's do a role play challenge.
I will use very, you must replace it.
I'm ready. Challenge accepted.
Sam, you look very surprised.
Actually, Emma, I am astonished.
Sam, this coffee is very cold.
It's not cold, it's freezing.
Sam, that movie was very funny.
It was hilarious.
To the audience, see how much better that sounds?
It adds color to the story.
Exactly. Let's look at workplace emotions.
This is important for our professional listeners.
Don't say, I am very busy.
What should I say to my boss?
You should say, I am swamped.
Swamped, like a swamp.
Yes, you have so much work, you're sinking.
Or I am overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed is great for high-pressure days.
What if I am very confused about a project?
Say, I am perplexed.
Perplexed. It sounds smart.
It does. It shows you are thinking deeply.
Or I am baffled.
Baffled means the problem makes no sense at all.
Let's move to social emotions.
Very shy.
I used to be very shy at parties.
You were reserved.
Reserved sounds more like a choice.
It is. It's a more sophisticated way to describe it.
What if I'm very bored?
You are indifferent.
I am indifferent to that new TV show.
It means you have zero interest.
Now, Emma, why do students use very so much?
It's easy. It's the first word we learn.
It's a safe word.
But safe is boring. Native speakers use extreme adjectives.
Because extreme adjectives don't need very.
Correct. You can't say very exhausted.
Why not?
Because exhausted already means 100% tired.
You can't be very 100%.
Exactly.
So I just say, I am exhausted.
Or you can use absolutely.
I am absolutely exhausted.
That adds even more power.
Let's look at the relationship sector.
Very loving.
My grandmother is very loving.
She is affectionate.
Affectionate.
It describes someone who shows their love.
What about very loyal?
Devoted.
He is a devoted father.
It's a much stronger commitment word.
This vocabulary is changing my perspective.
That is the goal of the Lingo Listen.
We want you to feel the words.
Let's talk about food and senses.
Very tasty.
Delicious is common. Let's try exquisite.
Exquisite. Like a 5-star restaurant.
Exactly, or delectable.
What if the food is very bad?
It is appalling.
Or inedible?
Inedible means you cannot even eat it.
I've cooked many inedible meals, Emma.
We've all been there, Sam.
Let's dive into intellectual emotions.
Very interested.
I am very interested in history.
I am fascinated by history.
Fascinated. Sounds like your eyes are wide open.
It shows a deeper level of curiosity.
What if I'm very sure?
You are certain or positive.
I am positive that I left my keys here.
It sounds much more confident.
This helps in negotiations and debates.
Definitely. Precise language is power.
We are halfway through our 2,600-word mission.
Let's look at physical feelings.
Very hot.
Sweltering.
It is sweltering in this room.
Or scorching.
Very cold is frigid.
Frigid is a great word for winter in Canada.
What about very small?
Tiny or minuscule.
Very big is massive or gargantuan.
Gargantuan is a fun word to say.
Gargantuan. I feel big just saying it.
Now let's look at the psychology of very.
Why do we keep using it if it's so bad?
Because our brain is lazy. It takes energy to find a precise word.
So very is like fast food for the brain.
Exactly. It's quick, but it's not healthy for your fluency.
We need to eat healthy vocabulary.
Yes, we need the proteins and vitamins of English.
Let's look at very quiet.
Silent or hushed.
The library was hushed.
It creates a beautiful atmosphere.
What about very loud?
Deafening
Like a rock concert.
or a jet engine.
The noise was deafening.
Now, let's talk about personal growth.
I want to be very good at English.
No, I want to be proficient.
I want to be fluent.
I want to be articulate.
Articulate means you can express ideas clearly.
That is the dream of every student.
We are here to make that happen.
Let's do a synonym drill.
I'll give a very phrase. You give 3 alternatives.
Let's go.
Very beautiful.
Gorgeous, stunning, breathtaking,
Very ugly.
hideous, grotesque, unsightly,
Very clean.
spotless, immaculate, pristine,
Very dirty.
filthy, grimy, squalid. Take notes on these at the end.
These change the vibe of your sentence.
Now, let's look at negative emotions again.
Very worried.
Anxious
I am anxious about my interview.
or distraught,
Distraught is for very serious situations.
like losing a pet or a job.
What about very jealous?
Envious.
I am envious of his success.
It sounds a bit more mature than jealous.
Let's move to the bright side.
Very energetic,
Vibrant.
exuberant.
The children were exuberant at the party.
It means they had so much energy they were jumping.
What about very brave?
Courageous or fearless.
The firefighter was fearless.
It sounds like a movie hero.
This vocabulary makes you a better storyteller.
That is true. Good English is about storytelling,
Even in an email to your boss.
especially there.
I am very happy with the results.
Try, I am delighted with the progress.
It sounds much more professional.
We are nearing the end of our marathon.
2,600 words of transformation.
Your brain is now full of jewels.
Don't let them gather dust.
Use one new word today.
Just one.
Instead of very tired, say exhausted.
Instead of very happy, say thrilled.
Notice how people look at you.
They will notice your precision.
They will notice your confidence.
You are no longer a basic learner.
You are a lingo listener.
We are so proud of your progress.
If you found these 2,600 words helpful,
Give us a stunning thumbs up
subscribe for more deep dive sessions.
and comment below.
Replace very in this sentence. I am very excited for the next video.
I am your word for the next video.
We will read every answer.
Thank you for being with us.
Until next time,
Keep learning
keep speaking.
and stay vibrant.
Bye-bye.
See ya!